Toyota announced today that it will be offering a TRD Performance Package for Tundra customers starting in early 2024. Recognizing the opportunity to leverage the new Tundra and its twin-turbocharged I-Force V6 engine, Toyota sought to bring something truly unique to its customers. In factory trim, the base I-Force engine produces 389 peak horsepower at 5,200 revolutions per minute and 479 pound-foot of torque at 2,400 revolutions per minute. The TRD Performance Package increases power output to 421 horsepower at 5,200 revolutions per minute, while peak torque comes on 400 revolutions per minute sooner, delivering 479 pound-foot of torque at 2,000 revolutions per minute, broadening the torque band and significantly improving power delivery at throttle tip-in. On the I-Force MAX Tundra, the kit boosts horsepower from 437 to 469. Building on the strength of Toyota's I-Force engine design, the engineers increased airflow going into the turbochargers while optimizing the engine management calibration via software. The TRD Performance Package employs larger, higher-flowing dual intakes coupled with a higher-flowing catback exhaust that reduces back pressure. With the hard parts installed, the engine management calibration is optimized to take advantage of the new hardware and 91-octane premium fuel, an essential element that allows Toyota engineers to optimize engine output. Tundra TRD Pro buyers can expect the same horsepower and torque gains from their I-Force MAX powertrain. Unique throttle tuning complements the increased powertrain performance, resulting in a sporty and powerful driving feel. The TRD Performance Package also includes exclusive visual cues, including a special badge on the tailgate and a unique exhaust tip treatment. Together, the sound of the turbocharger spooling up and the menacing exhaust note provide auditory proof of a measurable performance enhancement worthy of TRD. The TRD Performance Package also provides customers with peace of mind thanks to a full factory-backed warranty, along with the added convenience of financing options. The kit is installed before it reaches the dealer and comes with an MSRP price of $3,400. Initially, the TRD Performance Package will be offered on new Tundras. Toyota is considering expanding the package to other models in the near future, while also working to offer a dealer-installed option for customers that already own Tundras and are looking for a factory-backed way to crank up their power.